Kakunhun Menteri ka Sorkar Meghalaya ha ka khat sau tarik nai wing kala ai ka jing Mynjur ya ka jing kala amendment ya ka rule bandriu di jong ka Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rules ar ja khat new. Kani ka amendment ka ong ba 10% ki kam group D ha ki State Ministerial District Establishment na du nang ni shakmat an pandap no apna pedeng ki nongtrei casual ki batray klem pat sange ha ka kam regular casual. Habakran Syllad patai kubor hadin ke jingelang Menteri Sorkar uba wailat miki Syllad wala batai ba ka amendment ka penbet ki kendrum kendram balas lembha ki bami na ki office memorandum ki baya pair ka waina ka waipan. Ka OM bala penmi ha usnam kendai spak kendai pendriu ka ong basan pau persen labha iki nongtrei regular casual kat ba ka OM jong usnam arjar kat nyau ka ong ba barok ki kam group D day ban pendap leng ba ka jing pendrem kam ka ba bet ne direct recruitment. Ngila penpau syai menta kasni bangin yat da ka OM jong usnam kendai spak kendai pendriu ong uba wailat miki haba benrap ba kane ka amendment ka yat rengkat katkum ka rule bat ban pentingna ka bhah ka basan pau persen ka ban sedang trei kam nang ne syakmat ula benrap.
The amendment to Rule 6D of the Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rule 2017 to provide for filling up of 50% of the Group D posts for the from amongst the regular casual worker. As you know that this has been a confusion in the past because there are 2 of 96 where it says that 50% of the posts will be Group D posts will be filled among the RCW, regular casual worker, but there is another OM which came in 2017 which says that all the posts will be filled by direct recruitment. So we just make it clear today that we are going with the 96 OM. We are just amending that from now onward 50% of the Group D posts will be filled from the RCW.